In this video, we are going to discuss about Java Development Kit, which is known as JDK. So you have JVM and Java class libraries, which together form as a single unit called JRE. It is Java Runtime Environment, and you have Java Development Tools. So this complete set of environment with JRE and Java Development Tools results in Java Development Kit JDK. So here JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So here JDK consists of all the tools within it to run a program, and that is the reason you need not declare the tools again and again at the program. So the length of the program will decrease. In the meanwhile, it becomes easy for the user to develop the code. So coming to multi-threaded program, as in the previous video, we already discussed that Java is a multi-threaded program. Multi-threaded program is nothing but a light thread weight. It is also called as a thread light weight process. Thread lightweight process. So you have a main thread where it is being divided into multiple small threads: thread A, thread B, thread C. So this main thread is being divided into multiple threads, and this multiple threads evaluates on its own to give a single output. This is called as a multi-threaded program. In our next video, we are going to discuss about the structure of Java program.
For more interesting videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.